So in this video, we are talking about and comparing YubiKey and TOTP or time-based one-time password, which is the two popular authentication methods. So first, in YubiKey, it is a hardware-based authentication tool. What are the pros of it? YubiKey's pros are it has strong physical security, phishing resistance, and a multi-protocol support. And the cons of it, of course, its initial cost. While in TOTP, it is a software-based, time-based authentication mechanism, and the pros of it is free to use and it is widely supported as well as it is easy to implement. And the cons, it is vulnerable to phishing and device loss. So, in comparison, choose YubiKey for robust phishing-resistant security and then choose TOTP for free, convenient authentication. And in conclusion, for enhanced security, YubiKey is superior. But for cost-effectiveness, TOTP or time-based one-time password is better.